What's good, guys? Today we are back in here for the reset. All we have to do is clean these bays here, put the trellis net up, bring the plants in. Once we get done with that, we out of here. If we have time, we might do something else. But we'll see how that goes. I appreciate y'all for being here. Hey, come on along with us while we get this done. Peace.
Once the last run comes out, the work doesn't stop. Before another plant can come out here, everything has to be reset and prepared for what's coming next. That means getting the old pots out, sweeping down the bays, cleaning the floors, and getting anything left behind from the last run out of the way. This part might not look as exciting as seeing a room full of plants, but this is where the next run really starts. In a commercial facility, you're consistently moving from one cycle into another. One run finishes, and almost immediately, you're preparing the space for the next one. And everybody has a part to play. While some of us are cleaning the bays and sweeping the floors, other things are being cleared out and prepared at the same time. The goal is to get the room back to a clean starting point so we can begin rebuilding it. Once we get everything cleaned up, the next step is getting our trellis back in place. And from there, we can start bringing the plants in and turning an empty room back into a full flower room.
What's good, guys? We just banged out this reset, cleaned every bay, swept every bay, and got everything clean. So now we're gonna go ahead and put this trellis net up, and then we're gonna go into the veg and bring all those plants out here, guys. So yeah, come along with us while me and Carl put the trellis net up, and we gonna get it going, y'all.
Now that we've gotten the room cleaned up, it's time to start putting everything back together. The trellis goes up before we bring the plants in. We're going to stretch the net across the bays and secure it to the rails with zip ties, making sure everything is positioned where we need it. Later in the cycle, this net is going to help us manage and support the canopy as these plants continue to grow. But right now, we're just building a structure for what's coming. That's one thing about a reset. You're not only cleaning up from the last run, at the same time, you're setting the room up for the next one. Once the trellis is secure, we're ready to start moving the plants in.
Okay, guys, I don't know if y'all can see it, but look, the trellis net is locked and loaded. So now we're about to go into the veg. Go ahead and bring in the plants from the veg, get those drippers in so we can get it going. So yeah, let's see what we got going on here. So we about to go ahead and load these up. First bay here.
Now we can start filling the room back up. The plants are being brought over on a cart, and from here, I'm taking them off and getting them positioned onto the bays. But there's something you have to pay attention to while you're doing this. These bays have to stay balanced. If you start loading too much weight onto one side while the other side is empty, you can throw the entire bay off balance. So I have to be conscious of where I'm putting that weight as I'm loading. I can work on both sides evenly, or sometimes I'll start by running plants down the middle. Either way, the idea is to keep that weight distributed while the bay is being filled. And when you're moving this many plants, you've got to keep the process moving. At the same time all of this is happening, we're also working on irrigation. Every plant needs to end up in position, and every pot needs drip emitters in place so the room can be fed. So even though you're seeing me moving plants, there's multiple parts of the transitioning happening at the same time. Little by little, that empty base starts filling back up, and then these plants can start flowering.
So we are banging it out here. More than halfway through. All we gotta do is finish putting these drippers in, get these plants staged, and we are on to the next. So I'm about to go ahead and get back to work with the team. I'll get back with y'all. Peace.
And just like that, the room has completely changed. A few hours ago, these bays were empty. Now the plants are in position, the trellis is up, and the irrigation is being put back in place. This is the part of cultivation people don't always get to see. The work between harvest and the next cycle. Resetting the room, rebuilding everything, moving the plants, and getting everything back to where it belongs.
Okay, guys, we got all the plants in here staged. All of them are staged, as you can see. Yeah, we got it going on. We also started doing some work over in the veg. We're transitioning those as well. And right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and turn on the lights over here. Get them going. You know, the lights been on, so I'll make sure they got light. All right, guys, we got it done for today. All we got to do tomorrow is repot. We transition the veg. We are getting out of here and calling it a day. Just had to go ahead and knock it out. As you can see, we got all of the plants in, got the lights on. Hey, we about to get on up out of here. I appreciate you guys for being here. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Peace.